Do you have a cabinet full of extra reagents from nucleic acid extraction kits that you don't want to go to waste? Well, you're in luck. IBI Scientific offers replacement columns and collection tubes, so you can get the most out of your extraction kits. For the first time, IBI Scientific's replacement columns and collection tubes are now eligible for the 25% discount when you are logged into your IBI account. Our replacement columns and collection tubes are designed for use with IBI gel PCR cleanup, plasmid kits, genomic DNA kits, and total RNA kits, and are compatible for use in other kits that utilize lysis, bind, wash, and elution phases. With a wide variety of package sizes available, IBI Scientific replacement kits will help your lab maximize all of its precious resources. To receive 25% off every order, open your free account. Contact us at info@ibisci.com or call us for help finding the best parts and products for your laboratory needs. IBI Scientific, building quality life science products.